Hello viewers, this is Sunil and welcome back to Ecom Sprint. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can integrate Vendorbot with your Shopify store. So Vendorbot is a print-on-demand platform for Indian e-commerce. So if you are planning to do print-on-demand in India, then Vendorbot is a great platform to begin with. So we will see how to integrate the platform with Shopify. So we'll be discussing about the pricing of Vendorbot and why it is better than Printrobe and Kicking. We'll be knowing in a few seconds. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, that you need to go to the vendorbot.com website, vendorbot.com. So once you go to the website, here you can see a button called get started. So before going to that, let's see the product pricings. Let us go to the DTZ apparels in man, and we'll see the round neck t-shirt first, because most of us are going to start with t-shirts only. So let's see the pricing for the t-shirt. So let's go to the round neck t-shirt here. Here you can see that the cotton t-shirt, it is priced at 155, handling fee is 20 rupees, and the printing fee is 1.18 per square inches. Then GST is 5% applicable, and then we have shipping. If you want them to ship your item, then it is 50 rupees. COD would be 1.8% or 42.38. Then again GST would be implemented on shipping charges. Right, so if you calculate all of these, then it depends on the size, the printing size, the print area. Mostly, the greater the printing area, the more it will be cost. So let us do a rough calculation for t-shirt printing for A4 size print. So A4 size, it is about 8 by 11 inches. So it's going to be 88 square inches, and the pricing for it will be 1.18. So this is going to be the printing price. Then we'll add the t-shirt price is 155 and 20 rupees is for handling. Then we have 5% of GST, so we'll multiply with 1.05. So this is the total t-shirt cost, which will be 293 for a print size of A4 sheet, right? And then we have shipping prices. Shipping prices is going to be approx 100 to 120 rupees. So let's add 120 rupees if it is on cash on delivery. If it is on prepaid mode, then it is going to be 70 rupees max. So it is 120 rupees. Let's add, so it's going to be 412 rupees for cash on delivery for a A4 size print. So this is the t-shirt price. So that is about the t-shirt price. And now let's look on what are the products available on Vendorbot for POD. Now let's take a look on the products. What are the products they offer? That in men's we have DTZ apparels. Then in women we have DTZ apparels. We have AOP. AOP is all over print. So let's see what all products are available in all these categories. So in DTZ you have round neck half, round neck full, then deep neck tank hoodies, round neck t-shirt again, V-neck polo hoodies. So these are the kind of t-shirts available, stitch and print on. Okay, so they also provide a stitch and print service as well. So as you can see over here, they have a V-neck, round neck, and t-shirts as well for stitch and print. Then let's take a look on the DTZ printing for women. We have round neck again, round neck, full neck, crop top is the tank top, then hoodie, polo t-shirt, long t-shirt, round neck, and again they have stitch and print service as well for the same products category. Then in all over print of man we have a round neck t-shirt, then round neck full sleeve, half sleeve both, then we have v-neck as well, then tank top, jackets, hoodies, we have joggers, sweatshirts. So a lot of options are available for all over print as well. So these kind of service is not provided by the other two platforms. So that's why I love Vendorbot, as the cat as the range is very like you will get a lot of collections. You'll have a lot of options to promote your store. You'll have a lot of options. And in all over print women's, we have long sleeves, short sleeve, hoodies, sweatshirts. In hoodies, we have many categories, different types of hoodies. Like crop hoodies are there, sports bra, leggings, long and short both. So these kind of products are available. And let's look on the other categories, like phone accessories. Let's take a look on the phone accessories. Then we have bags and accessories. So in phone accessories, we have option for 3D matte design, silicone case, then glass phone case, pop grip. So these are options available for phone accessories. Then we have home and living. In home and living, we have coasters, cushion cover square, round, and bolster. We have rectangular cushion cover. Then we have white mug, ceramic mug, patch mug, then the magic mug one, then beer mug, that is glass one, then sipper bottle, kitchen mat, doormat, rugs, posters, canvas, lots and lots of options are available. So table placement, table runners, table covers, then we have napkins. So a lot of customizations can be done with these kind of things. So it's a great opportunity for all of us who are planning, all of you who are planning for print on demand in India. So get started with Vendorbot. Then let's take a look on the accessories part. Let's take a look on the accessories. In accessories, we have eye mask, neck pillow, mouse pad, keychains, face mask, fridge magnet, notebooks, badges. These are in accessories. Then we have, yeah, that's all about the different kind of products. Now let's move on to the integration part, how you can integrate your Shopify store with Vendorbot. The first thing that you need to do is go to the get started button. So Vendorbot, you need approval for if Vendorbot doesn't have a Shopify app, you need to do the API integration for that. And let's get started from here. So if you click on get started button, then you need to choose a plan over here. Here we have option for free plan, professional, and business plan. So what is the difference? Let's see. In free, you are eligible to place order for all the products. Only the difference is will be in PSD mockups. In the higher range, higher plans, in the paid plans, you will be getting PSD mockups and credits in your wallet. So if you spend, for example, 700 rupees on the plan, then they will be giving you 700 credit in the wallet, which can be used for placing orders on Vendorbot. So in a way you are getting a lot more benefit than rather than going for a free plan. If you have something to invest, then go for professional or business plans, because anyway you will be getting back all of those money in terms of credit or markups, right? So here in free plan you don't have markup option, because for that you need to go to other platforms like Placeit. If you are willing to start with a free plan, then click on the choose this plan. And once you click on that, once you choose your plan, then you will be landing on a page where you will be asked for your username and password. So here you need to go to the register button. As we don't have any login password, then you go to the register button. Now you need to put in some essential details so that we can just start out. So you need to put in the brand name here, then your name, your first name, last name, then your phone number, your WhatsApp number, email address, password, then again website name, website URL, website platform. You need to choose Shopify. Then company name, if you have a registered company, and then you need to put in that company name here. Then GST number, your company address, bank account name. If it is a current account, then it's good, you can put your current account number, or you can use your saving account number as well. So bank account number, then IFSC code, then you need to go to the register button. So once you fill in all the details and register yourself on vendor board, so they take around 24 to 48 hours for approval. So once they approve, they will send you a email. You will receive a mail saying your account at Vanderboard is now active. So here you will get a link to land on the website where you can log in. You will be generating a new password, or they will be giving you a password as well. So you can log in from there. So let's move on to the next step of integration. So once you log in with the details, and you will be landing on this page. The website will be dashboard.vendorboard.com. This will be your seller dashboard or merchant dashboard. So now we'll do the integration for your with Shopify. For that you need to go to the integration tab and go to Shopify integration. Then go to the apps on your Shopify dashboard. Then scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see manage private apps. So as Vanderboard don't have any Shopify app, you need to create an app for that. So we'll go to manage private apps. So once you go to the manage private app section, then you need to go to create new private app. Just click on it. Now we need to fill in some details over here. In the app details sections, you will have private app name. So let's name it Vanderboard. You need to name it as Vanderboard, VENDORBOAT. So this is going to be the name, and then you need to give some access to them. So what kind of access do you need to give? You need to go to the same Vanderboard page, integration page. Here you'll see in orders you need to give read and write, products, read and write. Then go to products, and it will give read and write. Then in orders we need to give read and write permission. Let's search for orders. Here is the orders. Then here orders, read and write permission. Then you need to give location read, customer read, right? So then we'll have location. Let's find out location. Here it is. Then read access for location, and then for customer we need to give access for read, right? So these are all the access that you need to give. So once you give the access, then you need to save it, save this app. Just click on save. Here you'll be asked to create private app, then create app. So once you create the app, then your API information will be generated. You will be getting API key and API password. So we'll see how we can set up this API information with Vanderboard. Let's go to the Vanderboard website. Now in the Shopify integration page, just scroll down. Here you need to fill in the form for integration. So you need to put in the brand name which is required. You need to put your email. You need to put merchant code. So where you will get the merchant code? So for merchant code, you need to contact the Vanderboard team. You can, if you go to the support section, you will get their WhatsApp number, and there you can call or you can WhatsApp them and ask for the merchant code. They will give you the merchant code. Then website URL is your website URL. Then API key as I show you, you will be getting those API key from your Shopify private apps. There you will get the Vanderboard API key. Here you can copy this API key and password, and yeah, API key and password. Then we have share secret. Share secret is also provided here, and you can copy that as well. Then my Shopify URL is the Shopify URL, my shopify.com URL. So you need to mention that as well. So once you fill in all the details, then you need to send this information, and once it is sent, then you need to wait for 1 or 2 days. The Vanderboard team will be contacting you. They will be telling you, they will be guiding you how to proceed next, orders, how to create orders for your store, how to make designs and all. So they will be guiding you on the complete process. So, and that is all for this video. I hope you like it. So please give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and do subscribe to the channel, because in this channel we'll be discussing more about e-commerce and drop shipping and print on demand. So you can visit our website as well, www.ecomsprint.com. Then we publish articles related to drop shipping and e-commerce. Thank you for watching.